In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create chat application design in Figma. Begin by opening Figma in your web browser or the desktop application. From the main dashboard, head to the Community tab. This is where creators share resources, and it's the fastest way to explore ready-made chat UI patterns without starting from a blank canvas. Use the search bar in the Community section and type Chat Application Design. You'll see a variety of results, including free and paid options, along with tutorials and templates focused on layouts, color systems, and reusable components designed specifically for chat interfaces. You might also notice options linked with creators known for Speedart tutorials, which can be helpful for understanding structure and style choices. Browse through the previews to find a template that aligns with your desired look and feature set. When something stands out, open the File page and click Open in Figma or Duplicate. Either option adds a copy to your drafts so you can edit it safely without affecting the original. Once the template is open, take a moment to explore what's included. Most chat templates provide common screens and building blocks, chat lists to show recent conversations, conversation screens with message threads, user profiles, message bubbles, and input fields, plus supporting icons and navigation elements. Click through the frames to see how they're organized, and notice how components and instances are used to keep everything consistent. Now it's time to customize. Select any element you want to adjust and look to the design panel on the right. Update colors to match your branding, ideally by using or defining color styles so changes stay consistent across the file. Adjust typography by picking your preferred fonts and setting text sizes that are legible and balanced. For layout, resize elements or turn on auto layout where applicable to maintain clean spacing, flexible alignment, and scalable behavior as your design grows. You can drag a frame's edges to confirm things reflow correctly. Replace placeholder imagery with your own logo and user avatars. Then refine the details that bring a chat experience to life. Message spacing, timestamps, read receipts, notification, badges, and subtle typing or file sharing indicators. Keep contrast strong for accessibility and ensure interactive targets, like send buttons and attachment icons, feel comfortable on both mobile and desktop. That's it. Thanks for watching.